Hello, everyone. This is Dan Gramza, and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Tuesday, May 19th. We have a market here in potential transition. It is a market that's waiting for additional information to ease some of its concerns about inflation and what's happening in the Middle East. And so far, this market is saying it's catching its breath. It's evaluating the information, and there's a possibility of transition. Imbalance to balance is what we're seeing here. So be guarded if you're on the short side for that market. And when we think about these currencies, the British pound, it's what I call an equal and opposite. Look for an inside day on Tuesday, dollar difference sell to buy level, just to give you a reference, $1,212.50. It implies the U.S. dollar weaker, but depending on this economic and geopolitical action, that'll really determine what happens with this currency, if the dollar will get weaker, for example. And what we're also seeing are the yields are increasing in the bond futures, and we're seeing prices soften. But this also is imbalance to balance, potential change in market direction. So be careful on the short side when it comes to that market. Copper, fundamentals are surrounding this that really support a higher move in that market. In Asia right now, it's softer. But again, I think you should be cautious on the short side. Nothing telling us that we want to be long at these current levels. And again, these are ideas that I just want to share with you that I hope you find helpful. And look at what's happening in soybeans. The agricultural markets are looking for China to follow through on its commitment to buy American ags, and we'll see it in soybeans, corn, and wheat. So the next few days here are important. You want to see that follow through. If you don't, then look for a sideways move. You want to be above these highs within the next 2 days, 3 days at the most. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Thank you for sharing your day with me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. And in the meantime, take care.